for your monster truck. Go. Wow. That's amazing, Aidan. I love it. Terminator. Go, go, go. That's it. How'd you go up and down? Do you know how to do it? Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Wow, keep going, good boy. Yay, well done. There you go, keep going, go, go, go. Wow, yay, you did it. Bang, bang, bang. Can you do higher and lower? Boom, boom, boom. Black diamond. Road crusher. Which one is this one? You know all the names of them. I don't know all their names. Grave digger. Wait, this one's called a Terminator because he's got strong muscles. Like in the movie. Yay. Wow. Good boy. Keep going. Yay. Wow. Is it still working? Or is it finished? Try it. Yay. Woo. This one goes on. Well done. It goes up and down. Are you okay? Did you hurt your finger? Are you sure? I think you might have a little ouchie. Are you okay? Try again. Is it finished now? No, I think it's still working. Try again. See, look. Whoa, it is still going up and down. But it's bumpy, isn't it, the Terminator? Good boy. Good boy, keep going. Yay! Wow! Good boy. And no more? Up. Up, up, up. Here you go, Aidan. Press it. Yay! You did it. Well done, well done. Good boy, keep going. Vroom, vroom, vroom. There you go. You do. Is it gonna go one more time? Here we go. There you go. Up. Finished. All right, let's go.